It is a coming of age story. It's a coming of age for Australia because we were understanding the beauty of diversity.
It's such a well-crafted story about being an other.
A teenager, on the cusp of womanhood. There's her mother, and then there's the grandmother. They're a tight-knit and fractured unit.
And I guess it's important to me because I was a teenager in the 90s. It's a really important time for young women, especially Italian Australian women, because we were claiming both identities. We didn't have to assimilate anymore.
It's a story about family and first loves and first losses.
It's timely, it's always relevant, it's why it's lasted, it's been touching people for 30 years.